I frequently watch Brian Sakava over at Bespoke Style and really enjoy his videos and his sense of style. Recently he introduced a made-to-measure collection together with Michael Andrews Bespoke, and since that time I wanted to try the service out. On a surprisingly warm and sunny day during October, I finally pulled the trigger. I just started getting into the topic of evening wear and wanted an ivory dinner jacket so badly. So that's what I ordered. I went for custom sizing with a remote fitting, which comes with an extra charge of $100 in comparison to off-the-rack sizing. I went for the half canvas option instead of full canvas, which would be another $100 plus. The highest possible standard is Benchmade Bespoke, which would have been $800 plus. After that, there are a total of 14 measurements to take when ordering a jacket like this, and they are properly described by videos. As always, having another person helping you is a good idea. Including shipping to Germany, I paid a total of 647 euros. Payments are always processed in US dollars though, so $749 is the total amount so far. Just 2 days after I placed the order and submitted my measurements, I received an email by Michael Andrews himself. He mentioned some things about my measurements which were off according to him, and so I booked an appointment on the MAB website. We talked via Zoom late in the evening because I am in Europe and measured some things together. He wanted to be absolutely sure about my fit, and so I agreed to receive a Basted trial jacket. Normally this jacket would be free of charge, but they had some weird experience with European customs and wanted me to pay $10 for the jacket, because this way no problems would occur. The fitting itself was rather short, about 20 minutes, but Michael was extremely friendly and genuinely interested in getting the fit right for me. I was treated very nicely and the whole experience was quite fun. Today the test garment arrived. I experienced no issues with customs service and I didn't have to pay any additional money, except the $10 I already paid beforehand. The jacket itself is made of a very thin and light grey fabric. It's unfinished with loose threads and even some chalk marks on it. At this point I really felt like a bespoke client, even though I just paid a couple €100 for a made-to-measure jacket. Just after the parcel arrived, I booked another appointment with Michael Andrews to let him analyze the fit of the jacket. The second test fitting was a little bit shorter than the first one, with about 15 minutes. I talked to Michael via Zoom once again and I was wearing the Basted trial jacket. He was very satisfied with the fit overall and just had 1 or 2 small corrections to make, for example the sleeve length. He also showed me some example pictures of how the lapels and other details will turn out, and offered me to choose from different lapel widths and vent styles. It's not perfect that these options are not displayed during the ordering process, so make sure to let Michael know what exactly you want during the video call. We agreed on a slightly wider shawl lapel and on double vents. After almost 3 months and exactly 1 day after the Christmas holidays, the dinner jacket arrived. In time for New Year's Eve, that's nice. HSS x MHB shipped it via DHL Express and it arrived a couple of days after I received the tracking number via SMS. I had to pay 94 € and 65 cents in taxes, which adds up to the base price. Including taxes, the money I paid for the trial jacket, shipping costs and the jacket itself, I paid a total of 751 € and 38 cents or $852.03. That's quite a lot of money just for a jacket. Normally I would buy a full suit for a price like this. So was it worth it? This Ivory dinner jacket is made of a very nice and formal fabric by Vitale Barberis Canonico. It is fully lined and it has a sticker with my name on it in the inside. What I almost forgot to mention, HSS x MHB shipped the jacket in a very nice garment bag and on a great wooden hanger. The garment bag is the most qualitative one I have seen yet by far. It is built like a tank, it's super heavy and impossible to rip apart. But let's get back to the jacket. I like the overall styling of it very much. The lapel width is perfect for my slim build, the length is exactly how I wanted it to be and the cutouts for the vents are rather deep, a very nice detail. The sleeve buttons can be undone and are covered in an ivory fabric, exactly as the one main button. The fit is phenomenal, there is no other word to describe it. The jacket isn't tight by any means, but it's fitted and doesn't look like it was made for someone else. This clearly is a made-to-measure piece of clothing with great proportions and a button placement that fits my body. Another important note is that the jacket arrived at my place in perfect condition without any loose threads or bits of lint all over the place. Great. Is this dinner jacket worth its money? Well, it indeed was an expensive piece of clothing. I paid a lot of money just for shipping and taxes, and that's annoying. If you live in the United States, the total will be cheaper for you. Because the fit is close to perfect and because I like the styling of the jacket very much, I would say it's probably worth it. What really turned it around for me is the outstanding service, including the video calls with Michael and the trial jacket to get my fit right. I was treated so well throughout the whole process and enjoyed ordering very much. That's why I am willing to say that this dinner jacket is worth the money I paid. And I am even willing to say that I will order from Bespoke Style x Michael Andrews Bespoke again. As soon as I do, you will hear about it on this YouTube channel. I wish all of you a happy and overall great year 2022. Hopefully with less COVID around and more freedom to travel and spend quality time with the people you like. We'll see each other in 2 weeks. Stay safe and healthy.